On her 16th birthday, the princess discovered a power that would change the fate of the kingdom. The once thriving village now struggled under the weight of the princess's unchecked powers. The cries of the villagers fell on deaf ears as the princess remained adamant in her belief that she was helping. Determined to save their home, the villagers plotted in the darkness, united in their cause. The earth shook as the monster rose, a consequence of the princess's actions. Faced with the chaos she had wrought, the princess vowed to make amends, her heart heavy with guilt. United in purpose, the villagers stood by the princess, ready to face the consequences together. With a determined gaze, the princess channeled her magic, undoing the damage she had caused. Transformed by her experiences, the princess led her kingdom with kindness and grace, a beacon of hope for all. I hope this narrative captures the essence of your vision for the story of Princess Carrot.